Hello, parents, and welcome to our virtual orientation. In light of COVID-19, instead of doing an in-house orientation, we here at Word of Life Christian Academy Preschool are doing a virtual orientation, and I will email it to all of our families. So welcome. My name is Miss Harris. I am the preschool director here at Word of Life Christian Academy, and I'm just going to go over a few things. First of all, introducing myself and letting you know that I have been working at the school for 16 years. I am getting ready to go into my 17th school year here at Word of Life. I have had 2 children graduate from this school. I have a grandson who is in 1st grade this year, and I absolutely love working here in this family environment. So I'm just going to go over a few things. I got myself a little list so I don't forget anything. You will notice in light of COVID-19 that we have changed some of our ways of coming into the building. So from now on, anyone who comes into the building, whether it be a child or an adult, will have their temperature taken by the security officer at the front desk. Once you have had your temperature taken and it is not 100 or higher, if it is, you will be asked to immediately leave the building and you cannot return unless you are fever free. Once that happens, you will come into the preschool classroom. We will ask for all of our students to wash their hands at the sink right by the door. We will ask for all of our parents to sanitize their hands right here by the door before they sign in, and then the students will put their things away. You will enter through this regular door that most of you are accustomed to, where the phone is. You will exit out the back door on the other side of the room. We are also asking for one other thing to be done a little differently this year. Normally, there are times when we have 5, 4, 6 parents drop off or pick up at the same time. If that happens, we will only allow 2 parents in the room at a time, therefore to help create some social distancing. So if you're the 3rd parent, we're going to ask you to wait outside until a parent exits, and then we will allow you in at that time. Also, something that we changed for this school year, our classroom is a very large room. We are licensed for 38 children, but I have cut that number down to 20 this school year only. The reason for that is to give a little bit of social distance between our students, as well at nap time when they may cough in their sleep. There can be 6 feet apart from each student's mats. Also, students at this age are not required to wear a mask. However, if you send them to school with a mask, we will make sure that they wear it as much as possible. Let's see, a few other things. Please make sure that your children have extra clothes, a complete set of extra clothes. And that will mean a top, a bottom, underwear, and socks. When water gets on clothing, it goes down. So it goes into their shoes and their socks. So please make sure they have that. Okay? Also, make sure that all of your children have an extra, or excuse me, not an extra, but a blanket and a pillow for nap time that must go into their cubbies and taken home every week to be washed and then brought back. Please make sure that extra clothing is changed out seasonally. So if it gets cold, get those shorts out, bring some pants, bring a sweater. Okay? I think that is about it. If anyone has any other questions, comment, or concerns, you can call me here at the school, 645-1180, or you can email me. You'll get a quicker response if you email me at jharris@wlcalv.com. So at this time, each of the teachers are going to introduce themselves to you. Hopefully your little ones are in the room. So if your little ones are in the room, please make sure to have them look as well so they can see who their teachers are. Okay, they're going to each tell you a little bit about them. And then we're going to come back to me and I'll just close you guys out. So here's our first teacher.
Hi, bonjour, marhaba, and hola. My name is Miss Ita. I have been working at WLCA 5 years. I have my son go to school here. I teach them calendar, I teach letters, number, and French too. They learn French too. I teach them a couple, and I will help him to teach him Spanish too. And I will see you soon.
Hello, I'm Avery Goins. Hola! As you can see, all of us will be learning Spanish along with Miss Etab and Miss Nicole. I've been here, this is my third school year. I've been in education for 47 years. I have 3 children, 4 grandchildren. So I've had lots of experience working with children. I will be here from 11:30 to 2:30. I guess you can call me the lunch lady. Our area will be back there. We're gonna do everything possible to put, as you see now, the chairs are close together, but when the kids are here, they won't be like that. We're going to position 4 children at each table. So we'll have 5 tables set up, and we'll have 4 children at each table. And if necessary, we'll use this area too, so that we can practice social distancing while the children are eating their lunch. I know you're gonna send healthy food and you're gonna send snacks with the children. One of the things that we do here is we teach them to eat healthy food first, and then we move to the snacks. Of course, you know they're gonna wanna eat the snack first, but we're gonna do everything we can to encourage them to eat their healthy food first. So if they come home complaining, you understand why. Lunchtime is like a health class for us and a nutritional class. So we're looking forward to seeing you all. God bless.
Hello, my name is Miss Nicole. I've been working at WLCA since February. I've been married 10 years. I have 3 boys, 2 of whom attend WLCA. I've been working with children for about 10, maybe more years. My favorite is preschool. I'm excited about this new school year and excited to meet all our new students, parents, and God bless.
So, okay, everyone, school is going to start on Monday, August 10th. So pack your lunch. Don't forget, no peanuts. We are a nut-free classroom. That means cashews, almonds, pistachios, all your favorite. Eat those snacks at home. No peanut butters, none of those. I do have an alternative because my grandson is a peanut butter lover. So if you need that information, I definitely will make sure that you get it. Get those extra clothes, get those pillows and blankets, little backpack, lunch boxes. Remember, for lunches, if you need something cold, put an ice pack in it. If you need something to stay warm, put it in a thermos, because we do not have a microwave in the room, and we will be using our refrigerator for snacks only. So if you have any more questions, remember, email me, call me, and we're gonna see you real soon. Bye-bye.